Alright, today we have Zippo lighter that I'm unboxing. I like Zippo lighters, I collect them. Let me know if you like Zippo lighters, let me know if you collect them. And let me know if I should post more videos of me unboxing Zippo lighters. But I just recently got this one. I like it, you know what I'm saying? This is Zippo. For you guys who don't know, this is Zippo, those are your lighters. If you don't know, this is basically what the box looks like. You know, just the back of it. And I'm gonna open it up. This is the one I got. It's beautiful, I like it. It's red. Los Angeles. Live there. This is what it looks like. This is the bottom. Lights, windproof, lighter. That's what the inside looks like. We're definitely gonna light some things with this. Once again, let me know if you guys like Zippo lighters, collect lighters. Let me know if I should do more videos like this. Once again, this is a nice lighter. Very nice. They're actually refillable. So you guys can take this out of the slot. Let me see if I can actually get it out for you guys. This is what it looks like outside. You refill it down here. This is what it looks like, just regular. You can switch them like cases, so if you have like an old one or something, you can put it in here and use it as a new sleeve. Pretty cool. But then you take that out of there, you slide it back in, as so. Let me know what you guys think. Should I do more of these?